Hey guys, welcome back to the Q Fam. So I'm gonna hop on this corn trend. I know you guys heard of the viral video with this cute little boy. Yeah, that one. But instead of doing another short, because I've done like 4 of corn, yeah, I'm gonna do a video. And this is gonna be a recipe video. So I'm gonna make corn casserole. Now this is one of my favorite dishes, especially that Thanksgiving is coming up. I normally make it every year for my sisters. Chris doesn't really like it that much. I don't even know if Ariel likes it, but my sisters do. So I'm gonna make this corn casserole with 5 ingredients. You need the corn, cream corn, kernel, sweet corn, butter, eggs, and Jiffy mix. That's it. So let's get into it. So before I even start, I'm gonna pour me a little bit of Moscato. I'm alone by myself, and just because I feel like it. Okay, guys. So this is a quick and easy recipe. Just need 2 eggs. Crack them bad boys open. And I like using a fork to whisk. Is it whisk? Whisk? Whatever. Mix it up. Then we're going to put the Jiffy mix into our eggs. Make sure you check the expiration date. You don't want no stale cream casserole. We're not wasting any. There's a trash right there, by the way. Now we'll use this to kind of stir it around. Pretty much you just put everything in the bowl and mix it up. Okay, so make sure you drain the water from the corn, the sweet corn. You don't want it to be all watery. And then you just pour everything in a bowl. Make sure you get all of it. And you just stir and stir. It smells so good. Not that. You don't smell. Okay, so now we're gonna melt the butter, and for the sake of time, I will pause and go get that. Alright guys, so we have the butter. You just need 1 stick of butter. Get that all in there. Some people will use sour cream. I don't like sour cream. But to me, it tastes good without the sour cream. So it's up to you. Some people put cheese in it. I'm a little bit lactose intolerant, TMI. So I don't use cheese as well. Okay, so you turn the oven on to 350. And that's how it looks. Give me some more, I'm tired. Alright guys, so while the oven is getting hot, get you some ham spray. Spray it out. Now if I was making cake, I would lick the bowl, but not for this. It's nasty. shake that baby. Oh, looks so yummy. And we put it in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. So while I I'm gonna sit on. So it got dark really fast. There's a tropical storm. Hopefully, it's just a tropical storm, but it's said to be a hurricane. That's fun. Ian or something, I don't know. But it's heading to Florida. We should get some rain tomorrow, I think, and it should be here by Tuesday, Wednesday. So hopefully, right now it's super dark and it's a little windy, but hopefully it's not a hurricane. Hopefully it's just a tropical storm, or hopefully it's just some rain, and that's it. So we went grocery shopping and got all our stuff. We just did the tissue challenge, so we have a lot of tissues on deck, so at least we can use that. But yeah. Yeah, so no, we close that. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so I'm waiting. But I'll be tipsy by the time I'm done this thing. After staring, it's like my shoulder. Gotta work my shoulder out. Okay. Alright guys, it was a success. And it looks yummy. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Bye.